What's up, Kingdom Squad? You don't know it's your boy King Kamau and there. Yes, it's good to be back again, you know? It's good to be back. So, how me look? When I see me, I look good? Alright. So now, today, we're going to react to this video my cousins sent me. So I'm going to react to this video. I'm going to look at it. To be honest, I've seen a few parts of it before. I've looked through it, but I didn't sit down and watch the whole part of it. So I'm going to react to it. But I was told that the video doesn't have audio. So I am going to react to it like react / voiceover kind of thing. If I watch like on YouTube and you see the other YouTubers, I let my friend voiceover or whatever. Yes, so I'm going to be something like that, plus reacting to it. So any little part you say like more make a comment or compliment about it, I will look at it. I don't know what to expect, but let's get into this juicy food, you know? Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do a pepper challenge. Put what that? Send me banana chips, potato chips. Alright. They look hot, man. They look hot. Body have them pack. You know. Why that? Alright. So look, you see now. Alright. So you start, you know. You start. 3, 2, 1. Pull it back. Alright. No man, rewind that. No man, we have to zoom in, but wait. No man, pull it back. Come back. What serious I want go on. Alright. Take a first chip now. So when I go react to it, come in, man. Take a first bite. Alright. Take it, partner. Take it now, man. What that muzo? Alright. Go. God. Ina bononet. Watcha. Jesus peace. The pepper activate, what you know? Like it's sweet, man. Watch him. Potato chips hot. Like it touch it. No man. We want to one. Look like it touch him, man. Watch it. You don't look so hot, man. You don't look so hot. I see no facial expression. Wow. As me talk.
Me have to make it big to fulfill the promises.
Send me a potato chip.
You mash up my life.
Well, it don't look so hot, man. Come on, see nobody are going to win now. Look like some regular chips, man. Not again. Oh God. I feel sorry for you now. Boy. I never meet enough to eat potato chips still, but me I get that potato, I just
Dream.
Lord God. Hey, me shall not cheat, run your sign now. You know, so someone will take your chips and dash it way. Nobody knows so though.
Reggae night, we come together when the feeling
No. I breeze off in tongue. But yeah, wait, hold on. I have to read the lips. Cause I can't. Wait, hold on. Read the lips. Put in a slow motion for yourself. Who are done first? Who are lead? Who are lead? Who are lead? Christina, I bag them no man. Oh, I want to turn off. Man. How much percent of pepper in that? What kind of pepper? Pepper hot. Let me tell you this now, guys. Why am I trying to voiceover milk? I'll milk, brother. So yeah, so everybody, you alone have your milk and nobody have for them. Hey! Whoa! Hold on. Wherever we're in the air, congratulations. But you're going to keep that title for now. Let's see when I return. Man, start up a minute, man. I'm busy with them. I'll be top of video. Alright, if the video look like it done. So they sent me another one. So I want to see. They said there's still some after something. Tell the joke, I watched it already, but we never watched the other one. We just watch all of them. I'm going to make this show I go and feed.
Hi people.
Yes, hi.
So this is the aftermath.
Yeah.
Of the challenge.
Oh, go on.
So there.
There.
I survived.
Right. Me gungo peas.
This child over there is rocking away.
I could have see it, man. Because if you rewind it, she wanna breeze off her tongue.
The glory. She's still traumatized by the chicks.
Wow.
The one over there, so I know what she prove, but she eat up everybody leftovers. What she prove, but she eat up everybody leftovers. What she prove, but yeah.
It tastes good. Wow. After me there, I think so the thing hot. Yo. It tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good.
It tastes good.
Go in there.
I nah say nothing.
So let's say. If you want them barely burn me. Anyways, finish your milk, yeah. Stay tuned for another video.
Yeah, man. You stay tuned for another video. You subscribe and turn on your post notification. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Not next year. That's too far. Probably December 31st.
Well, there's a couple hours against next year, but I can see what I'm going to.
Where I'll go for 2 bags. Yeah.
2 bags. 2 what? Wait, I don't know that talk about. Hold on, rewind. Me have hold on. Turn it up.
Oh, stay tuned for another video.
Yeah, man. You stay tuned. Same way.
Not next year. That's too far. Probably December 31st. Yeah. Where I'll go for 2 bags. Yeah.
I mean, them are talking now. Next year, 2 bags. If you can't manage 1, And you call me to come too. I made them attack. Me them attack now. Me them attack. I can see about that. I can see about that now.
Yeah, we can do a retake. Yeah, we'll fire you. Make sure check your milk.
Me not drink milk. So, me not drink milk. Guys, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure to like. If you like the video, you'll like it. You'll drop a like. Make sure to comment and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell, yeah? And become a part of the KK. No, not KK. I did KK Kingdom, but me change it to Cake. No, me change it to Kingdom Squad. Kingdom Squad, yeah. So if I made it to the end of the video, comment. Bring your milk. I'm out. Every day I go.
Anyways, finish your milk, y'all. Oh, stay tuned for another video.
Sometime next year.
Yeah. not next year. That's too far. Probably December 31st. Yeah. Where I'll go for 2 bags. Yeah.
Or we can do a retake when you come. The holiday.
Yeah, when we can do a retake.
Oh, 4 hours.
Yeah, we'll for you. Make sure you carry your milk. Yeah.